Hello family, I'm trying to go to town. This is my road. This is my road. I used to feel nervous to drive alone, but now I'm really confident, you know, so dependent to my husband. But this time, he taught me a lesson. So I'm driving alone, guys. I'm driving alone. Check, guys. 65 kilometers of this road, guys. There's mud. It's something else, guys. I'm the only one in the car. That's good experience for sure. Yeah, women empowerment. This man. Yeah. Otherwise, I'm trying to go to town, guys, to buy some maize seed and some fertilizer and pig meal. So I'm going to load this truck. I'll show you after I'm loaded. So yeah, I'm loving it, though sometimes I feel really anxious, you know, to travel alone. I'm so dependent to my husband as far as driving off-road is concerned. But anyway, it's life. We can't leave our kids alone in America. Schools were open. He was committed at work, and someone was supposed to be here to monitor everything, you know. But anyway, I'm happy. I can do it, guys. I can do it. I can do this. I can do this. Let me go. Right, guys, talk later. Let me drive. Yeah, our car is good because it's a bigger car, so yeah, I trust it. Check, guys, check. Honestly, check. I'll use this way. Oh my God. Look how stubborn. It's as if they know it's a female driver. These cows. See how stubborn. Really stubborn, guys, right? Very stubborn cows. Oh my God. Check, guys. I have to slow a little bit, otherwise the car will get stuck in the middle of nowhere. That's our road, guys. So it's 65 kilometers of this, but I'm loving it, you know. I wished my husband was here. I'm used to complaining like, you're overspeeding. Blah, blah, blah. But today it's me alone. My husband is back in the US. He sent me home to plant maize. Can you imagine? That's the Geza, guys. Oh my God, I look beautiful. I'm beautiful, guys. Oh my God.
Imagine anofara ndobuda muvhidhiyo chirunotaura aenderesa anoda ichaya ndachipinza maikudzai taura hako ndisina hadzimboperi hadzizeredzi chimwani nezori ndikatitonaka wajina mai marume shuwa vhundukai zera redu vhundukai zera redu vedu kana tasvika tivhundukei tovaona vana vadi kutovaona mai maruma tengai mai maruma tengai baba ivo andiwaguta mambaira boxi nderangu mai maruma mai maruma varamba
saka vabhadhara indian
dzenyu dziri hai dzavo idzina ndidi dzesina zodzo yangu ndoda dzine zodzo yangu
waisai vakoma vainzi
isai vakoma vainzi isi munobika mashuwa mudikire
vanhu vakuru
ndigai vaindi vanhu vakuru nechanana
vana mainini motenga vakoma vainda
so unlucky. So unlucky. Oh my god. Wow.